everybody, it's Lisa here from Desireé Blue. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you a tag album or junk journal that I made, and this is using the wallpaper tags from Juni's Willowbound Journals online on Etsy and YouTube. And what I decided to do was I decided to use the tags in a number of ways. And the first thing I did was I made the tags larger on my computer and printed them off so the tags are actually the pages. And then I used tags in this as well to embellish the journal. And what it is, it's like an accordion style, and it's actually made from one long piece of Nutrigrain box, and you can sort of see a little bit on the edge, but seeing as it's just for me, I wasn't too worried about it, worried about the edges there, and I've put a little bit of washi tape as well. So what I wanted to do was I wanted this album to also be my April gratitude album, which is a challenge currently running at Willowbound Journals. So during the journal flip through, you'll see some date stamps, and then every day I'll be adding a little bit of a sentence about what I'm grateful for every day this month. So we'll start with the front cover, and it's got a beautiful charm on it that I received in some happy mail. And I've fussy cut some wrapping paper here, and the base is the tag from the kit and some other embellishments, some stamped leaves. So here I've got a little pocket, and I've tried to put as many tags as I can throughout the journal. You can see that I've got April 1st here and April 2nd, so I'll do a little bit of writing. And I've also tried to have a quote on each sort of double page, and then you can see a little bit of the cereal box poking through there. And this is actually my own paper that I made just by using scraps of paper, and I've used my punch heart and glued it to a piece of paper and then scanned and copied it. So just something, just a cute little idea that you can do there with your scraps. Another quote and more date stamps. And I tried to put a postage stamp on each double page as well. Another one of the tags from the kit, another postage stamp, a little bit of doily decoration. And on this side, this features a beautiful tag from the kit, a sticker and a ticket coupon, and a little flip out envelope. Over to the back, where I've just put one of my artwork stickers, and I'll continue the journaling. And a little side pocket here where I've put in a small version of the tag that was on the other side, just with a little quote on there. And I'll do some journaling here. This one is one of my favorite pages in this. It looks so pretty. I love the postage stamp and how all the flowers work together. It just looks really sweet. Also, I've done a little bit of collaging here and here to cover up some of the cereal box. Another page here featuring the tags, a little bit of doily and a postage stamp, and a beautiful quote. And then the last double page, this has got a pocket with a coupon. This tag is also in the kit. Some happy mail that I had and added another ticket to. And I'll do a little bit more writing here to finish off the month. So that is my tag junk journal. I hope you liked having a look, and it's really good to use up what you have in your recycling box. And I was trying to think of how I could connect all of these tags because I really didn't want to rely on washi tape to keep it together. I really want it to be one long piece. So I flattened the whole box out and then used the longest side, the front, the base, and then the back of the box as one big piece, and then cut it to size. Thank you very much for taking a look and have a great day.